Want to know how to link your Facebook account to Dola AI? Well, no worries. So you can also easily log in and link your Dola AI. So let's get straight to it on how you can link it to Facebook. So first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola.com website or the application itself. So we have also created previous videos about helping in Dola, like signing in, signing out. So make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing your settings. Just simple like that. So now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing various options. And at the top, you should be seeing something known as your gear icon. Just simply select that, it should open up your settings. Now scroll all the way down and here you should be seeing account. That should be right below logout. So you can just simply select that. So once you have selected the account here, you should be seeing your phone number, Google, and much more. So right above Apple ID, you should be seeing Facebook. And you can just simply select link. So once you have selected link, here make sure your Facebook is also working properly, and once that is done, your external browser should open up and you should be able to sign into Facebook. So you need to sign into Facebook for this, and just simply do it and it's pretty good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.